everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to Not My House, but today I've got this cool thing here. This is a price computing scale. So if you sell things like by the weight, like if you have a candy store or anything like deli meat or anything that you're selling like by the weight, this here will compute it for you. So we're gonna check this thing out and see how it works. So let's open this up and check it out. So here we go, it comes with a plug. You plug it in, but I know it also works off of batteries. I think it's rechargeable. So let's here. And see if there's anything else left in the box. Nope, box is empty, so let's see. And then we've got, this is it here, it comes with this styrofoam, and you can see it comes with some, how do we get this out of here? Okay, so here we go. See, it's got the batteries in there. So there's 1, 2, 3. 3 batteries, I guess is what it's gonna take. Let's take the foam off it here. So this is what it looks like right here. So we're seeing it together here for the first time. I'm gonna aim this down so you can take a look at the device instead of looking at me. So let's see. So here we go. So this is it. So let's see how this works. So this is the tray for the top. And then take off the plastic. And we'll take off this. Here's the instructions for it. You can see right there. And now I know under the bottom here, this is where the batteries will go. So let's stick these in here. Let's see which way to go. This way. Right here, you can see there's a little switch there, so that's the off and on. So there we go, we turn it on and it's already beeping. So there it is. And so I didn't put anything on it here, so we're gonna have to zero it back out again. So let me come over on this side and take a look. So so let's do on off. So there it's on again. So there we can see it's the weight is back to 0 and 0, 0. And so what we'll do is we program it for whatever we want, but let's just do a little test here and put this on here. So this weighs 0.07 kilograms. So we're in kilograms. So we're gonna change that to, there we go, there's the light, makes it a lot easier to see. If we're gonna have to change that to pounds. So let's see how we can do that. So let's look at this and see what our settings are. It's pretty cool. So it auto zeros when it switches on. So the on-off switch starts weighing with 0. And let's see, how do we change? So it says change, oh, right there, kilograms. So maybe I hold it. There we go, now we're at 0.14 pounds. And then we can, so let's see how we set the price. So after switching on, enter key. So where's the enter key? Enter. And then we, wait, depending on the price shows blank, it does. And then we press one of the unit keys, M or X. Let's see, M, wait, depending on the measure, see set X price. So let's just see if we want to do set, it says set. Do I have to hit this? Oh, yes, I have to set. So I'm going to set for price 1 is going to be, let's see, $10. And then we'll enter. So there we go. So now this, because it's 1.14 of a pound, so it's $10 a pound. So let's see what we weigh. So if we weigh this, it's going to cost us $1.40 because it's that. And let's just see if we weigh something else here. Let's see what a piece of styrofoam weighs. It's gonna cost 60 cents for one of these. So this is super cool, so you can set it for different things. So let's just see, let's try this again. So we're gonna do M2, and we're gonna set this one for $5. Oop, not $50. $5. Just did it right there. And then enter. So now we have M1 is set for $10, M2 is set for $5. So if we put this on here, now it's gonna be half the price. So it'll be 70 cents, and there will be $1.40. So you can have 4 presets of different pricing. So if you have 4 different items that you're selling by different price, you're all set there. So that's pretty cool. So I like this. It seems really accurate because it just goes back to 0 every time. And the light, see, turns off by itself after a while, and I can just turn it off when I'm done using it for the day. And it seems pretty cool. It's actually got a little piece of plastic on here, so I'll take that off to clean it up. But I like this, it's pretty cool. So let's see if I try this again here. So now, put something back on it. And there it, oh, I didn't push that one. So there's the price. If I don't push a price, it doesn't show up. And then I can put just the light on to see it. So I like this, this is really sweet. So this is the price computing scale. Let me move this back here so you can see me. So there we are. So the price computing scale seems to work really well, really accurate, and it kind of beeps and lets you know. And then there's the charger that comes with it. That's what I've been weighing. And so you can see on the side of it there, that's where it would plug in. And then if you're done with it for a while, I guess you can do this one here. Turn it off. Now it's off for good. And this is awesome, thumbs up for me. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you can pick one up from yourselves. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some cool other stuff that I review. And again, this is just the price computing scale by GRIPX. So pick one of these up, and I'm gonna put a link so you guys can get one for yourself. So if you need to weigh anything like that, you got it golden here. So thumbs up, have fun, and I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching, bye. So one thing I neglected to mention, is that there's this screen on the other side too. So while I can see it on my side, the customer will see exactly what the item is there too. So I can say the $10 price, they can see everything on their side too. So there's the dual screen action going on. So don't worry about that if you were looking at just me. Just didn't wanna, just wanted to let you know that it has screen on that side and on this side. So we're golden here. Bye.